Namaskar my yoga friends, welcome back to the 19th live yoga session, and we are continuing our sessions every day. Now there is only 3 days left in the International Yoga Day, including today. So let's keep on practicing, don't break this chain, and on 21st, the International Yoga Day, we will also do extended 1 hour session. We will do wonderful practices. So continue with me, join every day in these live yoga sessions. Let's start today's session with a beautiful prayer. Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Mritgamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. So let's start today's beautiful session. Let's start with some joint rotations. So we will start with the neck movements. Breathe out, breathe in, up, breathe out, breathe in. Stretch your neck upside. Feel the stretch in this region. Breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Let's do the rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shoulder rotation. Hands up. Keep your fingers on the back of your shoulders and rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite direction now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's do the waist rotation. So breathe out and then breathe in and continuously rotation, making a big circular motion. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. Let's do some stretching as well. Sitting and doing. Let's do some stretching. Breathe in, right hand up. Breathe out, bend. Let's do this from the side angle so that you can see the complete posture. Breathe in and breathe out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Let's do the twisting now. So breathe in, hands up, breathe out, twist. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Very good. We will do some Sukshma Vyayam in the standing position now. So let's stand on the mat and your right leg ankle up and down. Move your feet up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Continue. Take the leg down, up. Breathe out, breathe in. Breathe out, breathe in. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now knee rotation. So stand firmly on the mat. Maintain the body balance on one leg. Lift the other leg and rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Wonderful. Let's do from the other leg as well. Let's continue. I just need to do one adjustment. The window. This window is making a lot of noise because the wind is blowing and it's making a noise. So it's all set now. Let's continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite direction now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change the leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now we will do a warm up. So for warm up, let's do jumping jack. So we will do 20 counts, 20 counts set 2 times. So if I show you from front, it will be like this. So every time breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Like that we have to do continuously. We need to continuously move and breathe in and breathe out. So let's do first 20 counts and then we will stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Wonderful. Excellent. 20. We are done. So let's breathe in and breathe out deeply for a few seconds. Very good. So we need to do one more set of 20 counts. Ready? Let's start. Standing in Tadasana. From here we will start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's do active rest, means keep on moving the legs like this, but kicks. Yes. Very good. Continue. Wonderful. Let's do yogic walk for 1 minute now. Okay, we will do 60 counts yogic walk. So we have already learned this, how to do yogic walk. We have to do the churning movement from hand, and legs will also move along with the hand like this. Okay, so let's do this yogic walk. Wonderful exercise, a very nice cardiovascular exercise for your whole body, and it will warm up the complete body. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, continue, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59 and 60. Very good. Slowly stop. Don't suddenly stop. Keep moving your legs for some time. Very good. Slowly stop. Then breathe in and breathe out from mouth. Breathe in, bring your hands up. Close your fist in front of the chest. Breathe in. Breathe in on top. Keep the fingers wide open. Breathe out from mouth. Breathe in. Breathe in. Very good. So we did, first we did 40 jumping jacks. Now we did 1 minute yogic walk. Let's lie down for 1 minute, take bit rest, and then we will do 12 Surya Namaskara. After that we will move towards the asana. So today's session, maybe it's going to be a bit longer. Let's lie down and take at least 1 minute rest. Continue your deep breath in and breathe out. Breathe in deep and breathe out. Breathe in deeply and breathe out. While breathing in, remove all the heat, excess heat from your body. While breathing in, feel relaxed. Breathe in and breathe out few more times. Last 10 seconds. Bring your heartbeat to normal. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly again let's stand in front of our mats and let's start Surya Namaskar that we have already learned in many of these sessions. So we will start with the opening prayer for the God Son who gives us life. Let's join our hand. Keep your hand in front of your chest. ध्येयः सदा सवित्रमण्डल मध्यवर्ती नारायणासरसिजासन सन्निविष्टः केयूरवान् मकरकुण्डलवान् किरीटी हारी हिरण्मय वपुर्धुत शंख चक्रः ॐ मित्राय नमः. So this is one Namaskar-asana. 2. Breathe in, breathe out. 3. Padahastasana. 4. Ashwasanchalanasana. Look up. You have to look up. 5. You need to do plank posture or Falakasana. Some people also call Dandasana. Breathe out in Dandasana. Then hold your breath in Ashtangasana. Breathe in. 6. Bhujangasana. Keep your elbow bent and your elbow should be near rib cage, your shoulder should be down. Breathe in this posture. Body above the navel is in the air. Complete body weight on your hands. Toes relaxed. Breathe out. Parvatasana. In Parvatasana, try to bring your heels on the mat. Take small step forward and bring your heels on the ground. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings. Now slowly look forward and bring your right leg forward while breathing in. So this is 8. 9. This is Padahastasana. Here you have to breathe out. Bring your forehead towards your knees. Then breathe in deep. Again Hasta Uttanasana. And breathe out Namaskar. So this is complete Surya Namaskar with breathe in and breathe out. So we will be continuing now for 11 more rounds with mantra, right left combination, and only in the fifth step, that is Ashtanga Asana, we are going to hold the breath, except that it is alternatively breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Let's continue. Om Ravaye Namaha. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So in 12, you can rest at Namaskar Asana also, but generally I prefer to relax like this and then start the next Surya Namaskar. Om Suryaya Namaha. 2, 3, 4, 5. Continue. 6. Hold your breath. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Om Bhanave Namaha. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Continue. Om Kharaya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this time by mistake we started from 1. So after Namaskar we will start from 2. Om Pushne Namaha. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wonderful. 6. After 6, it's half done. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wonderful. So half of the Surya Namaskar is done now. Take few deep breaths in and out. Relax yourself a little bit, and then we will continue for the next 6 Surya Namaskar. Breathe in and breathe out. Take small rest. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Let's continue now for the remaining 6 Surya Namaskaras. Om Maricheya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Om Adityaya Namaha. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Bit faster now. Om Savitriya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Continue. We will do 2 more. Om Arkaya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Last one now. We have reached to end. Om Shri Savitra Surya Narayana Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Wonderful. Let's close with the prayer. आदित्यस्य नमस्कारं ये कुर्वन्ति दिने दिने आयुर्प्रज्ञा बलं वीर्यं तेजस्तेषां जायते. Now, after 12 Surya Namaskar, take some relaxation. Lie down on your mat. Relax your legs. Take rest for 1 minute. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in deep and long. Breathe out. Breathe in deep and long. Breathe out even more. Slowly take support from your hand and again let's sit on our mats. Wonderful. We are done with the 12 Surya Namaskar. So now we will learn some new asanas today. So the first asana which we are going to learn is called Ananta Asana. So how to do Ananta Asana? Let's do and let's see. It's the very easy one. So you have to lie down from the side. So your right side is down. You are lying down on your right portion of the body. Now what you have to do, like we generally do, the relaxed posture. We have to support our head from the right hand and our shoulder straight line. So adjust this. Now what you have to do, you have to lift your left leg up. You need to lift your left leg up and you need to catch hold of your big toe from the two fingers, middle finger and index finger, and wrap around these two fingers and close. Also join your thumb and hold tightly. Now what you have to do, you need to lift this leg. Lift this leg up. Wonderful. Like this. And then slowly again leave the leg and straight. So this is called Anantasana. We will also do this from the side angle. I guess from side you will get a So from this side I will show. So first you need to bring your elbow and shoulder in one line. Relax like this. Legs straight. You are lying down like the god Vishnu. Then catch hold of your big toe and then slowly lift your leg and make it completely straight. Other leg will be relaxed and you are lifting your one leg completely straight. You can slightly pull towards your head to give a more stretch. So this is Ananta Asana. We should always do from both the sides. So I done from right side now. Let's move and also do from the left side. So I will move that side and I will do from the left side. So now my right hand is down and left hand is up. Keep your legs completely straight and then catch hold of your big toe. Need to adjust a little bit. Then lift your leg completely and make it completely straight and give a little push towards your head to give a more healthy stretch. You will feel little bit more stretch. So this is Anantasana. Slowly relax your legs and lie down in the first. Relax your hands and then lie down. So this is Anantasana. Now on the similar lines there is one more wonderful asana, that is Vasishtha Asana. So how to do Vasishtha Asana? Again you have to lie down sideways and what you have to do, you need to lift your leg like this. But this is almost similar to Anantasana, but here what is the difference is you also need to go up and you need to do side plank, and in side plank you need to lift. So first you are doing side plank, you are maintaining your body weight on your hand and from here slowly you are trying to lift the leg like this. Also hand. Here you need to balance. So initially it becomes a challenge to balance like this. So the easy way out is you balance your this leg like this and first maintain a perfect balance. Bring both the hands in straight line and then slowly try to lift your leg as well. Like this. Wonderful. Slowly come back and then relax. Let's do from the other side as well. Vasishtha Asana. First, I'll show one more easy way while doing from this side. Bring both the legs crossed like this. So from here you are crossing. Okay. you crossed. Then bring your body weight on the palm. From here, first lift the body. Lift the body and stay like this. You are completely relaxed because your both the legs are on the ground as of now. Now maintain body balance and lift your hands first. So do this easy version. Vasishthasana. First do the easy version. Okay? Both the legs on the ground. Once you are feeling more confidence in this posture and you are able to maintain the body balance, then bring both the feet one above each other, join the ankles and again do the same. Lift like this. Now slowly lift the leg as well. Wonderful. Slowly down and relax. So these are, we learned 3 variations of the Vasishthasana. So this asana give you the sense of balance and also bring a lot of strength to your hand as well. Because you are balancing at the final posture, you are balancing only on one leg and one hand. Wonderful. Let's do some twisting asana as well. So for twisting asana, I will just again change the position of my mat. So we will do 2 asana, Ardha Matsyendrasana and Vakrasana. Ardha Matsyendrasana is we need to start from Dandasana. So take your right leg and bend the knee. Bring your heel near your buttocks and your left leg which is down, that also bend it and bring the heel near the buttocks. Now we need to bring this knee little upside, maintain it, the direction should be upward, and now breathe in, take your left hand up, twist your body a little bit, bring your elbow near your knee, maintain this hand like this, push your knee towards left and you turn or twist towards the right. So this is Ardha Matsyendrasana. While twisting, you need to breathe out and twist. Stay there for a few seconds. Give a good twist. Feel like you are twisting from your navel. Twist more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come back. So these asanas, twisting right and left, always we have to do both the sides. So let's do the left side as well. Now your left leg is up, your right leg is down. Again breathe in, your right hand up, other hand is backward in the line of your spine. From here bring this elbow near the knee, adjust hand like this, palm open, breathe out, twist, back side. 1, 2, twist from your navel, breathe out. 3, 4 and 5. Initially you will not be able to stay there for longer, but keep practicing and you can easily stay in this posture for 30 seconds to 1 minute as well. We are just learning, so we are not staying for that longer, but this is a very good posture for your abdominal health. It will give massage to all the organs in the abdomen. Let's in the same lines learn one more twisting asana, that is Vakrasana. So how to do this? Bring your leg like this, lift your right leg and place outside of the left knee. From here take your hand up, breathe in, It is a bit similar to the Ardha Matsyendrasana asana only. Bring your hand like this and try to catch hold of your knee. And now breathe out and twist. Stay there for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out and twist from your navel. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Wonderful. Let's do from the other leg as well. Always we need to balance and we need to do from both the sides. So your left leg outside of your right knee. Right hand, breathe in, stretch up. Now push your left knee from your elbow, catch hold of your right leg knee. If you can't catch, then you can stay like this and keep pushing. Okay? And breathe out and twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly release the posture. So we learned 4 new asana today. What are the names of these asanas? First one, we learned the Anantasana. Second one, Vashishthasana, Ardha Matsyendrasana and Vakrasana. So these 4 asanas we have learned. You can revisit this video and learn them once again. If you have any doubts, you can also put it in comments and I will be answering. So we will close today's session here. But after this session, you must take some rest, at least 5 minutes. Lie down in Shavasana, which we have learned, and take deep breath, breathe out, and relax your each body part, and then you close your session. So let's end the session here today with a beautiful mantra. Have a great day. Keep practicing yoga. Stay safe and stay healthy. We will meet again tomorrow.